M4A4 Sherman, built in December of 1942, and it belongs to the Planes of Fame Air Museum. It's the only Sherman tank on the West Coast that is still operational and does public events like this. So in the field behind us over here, you can see we have a whole bunch of stuff set up.
We are now on German territory, and hence we are in the home of the Germans, and hence we have the Germans' home appliances.
We're going to run over these things, we're going to fire the main gun, make a lot of noise. To me, it is the most beautiful tank you'll ever see.
What better time can be had than watching a large armored vehicle smash appliances into little bitty bits? Nothing can be better than that.